Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Okay, so for this question is asking what is the frequency of gamma ray at lambda? Lambda is a wavelength is 3.56 times 10 to the negative 18 meter, or the radar at the 10.3 centimeter. Okay, so what you have to do is this. You have to remember this formula. C is the speed of light, and which is equal to wavelengths times frequency. So what does that mean? For this question, we're finding this guy, frequency, which is known as 1/seconds, or also say as Hertz, Hz. Okay, so it's the same thing. All right, so to find V, what you're gonna do is you're gonna say C divided by lambda. That's all you're gonna be doing. Now to do the new pages, we're gonna do the wavelength is equal to C, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per seconds, which is divided by the frequency, the wavelengths. The wavelengths is here. Oh, sorry, is here, giving us 3.56 times 10 to the negative 11. So that's what we're gonna use. 3.56 times 10 to the right negative 11. Okay, that's the meter. So we can just go ahead and divide this. And if you have done it correctly, you will get 8.43 times 10 to the 18. The unit is 1/seconds, or like I said, you can also say Hertz. So you can say 8.43 times 10 to the 18 Hertz. All right, for the next question, it's same thing. So you're gonna say 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by, we're gonna need to find the frequency. I mean the wavelengths. The wavelengths is giving us 10.3 centimeter. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna write 10.3 centimeter. Now notice that this is meter per second. This is centimeter, so not gonna go together. So you gotta change your centimeter to meter. So you're gonna say centimeter 100. Centimeter is 1 meter. So that's what you're gonna get, and you're gonna solve this one. So let me say, so I'm gonna type it in my calculator as point. Okay, so if I do that, I'm gonna get 2 point, oopsie, not here. Sorry, it should be up here. 2.91 times 10 to the, oh, write it 2 up here. I'm gonna write it down here as an answer, okay? So 2.91 times 10 to the 9. The unit again is 1/seconds, or you can say Hertz. So you can say 2.91 times 10 to the 9 Hertz. That would be the answer. All right, happy studying.